Hi friends, welcome to TechTouch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix Roblox. Please confirm your identify on unknown error. Please try again. So before I start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. First of all, update your Roblox. Open your Play Store. Search your Roblox. Press on update. Wait for update. After complete update, go back. Open your settings. Press on more connection. Select here private DNS. Select here config private DNS. Then type dns.google.com. Then go back. Again go to the settings. Go to the apps. Search here Roblox. Press on force stop. Press on force stop. Press on storage. Press on clear data. Before clearing the data, read this. This app's data will be permanently deleted. This includes files, settings, databases, and other app data. Then press on OK. After doing this, check your problem fixed or not. If not, uninstall and reinstall your Roblox fixed your problem. So in this way, you fix this problem. Thanks for watching, friends. Hope like this video. If you like this video, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.